Hello friends, welcome to Nursery Live. Stress in the workplace is very common, and many studies have found that plant can reduce stress and boost up productivity in the office. So Nursery Live brings you a perfect plant pack, Mood Booster De-Stress Tabletop Office Desk Plant. In this plant pack, you will get a Jade Plant, Syngonium and Snake Plant, and with these plants you will also get colorful pots. Plants affect human beings both physiologically and psychologically. From a physiological standpoint, plants remove harmful toxins from the environment. Psychologically, we feel good knowing that we are in the workplace which is healthy and free from indoor toxins. The simple act of touching soil and plant can be a mood booster. You can easily keep these plants in your office desk by providing bright light, little water and attention. So friends, make your workplace healthy and happy. Further description and price details are given in the bio. Thank you.